Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninjarma and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Anohana. So this anime story is about a group of friends. So on their childhood, because of our main character, one of our heroine died in this anime. So after that, this group got completely separated from each other. So now, starting in this anime, our hero started to see the ghost of that girl. Our hero gonna try to bring back the group together to make our heroine rest in peace. So she shown herself to our hero because in their childhood she used to like our hero, but she was not the only one. There was another girl who used to like our hero, and there are a few other romantic interests throughout this group. So if you want to find out all of them, you have to watch this anime. So it's a really good one and you should definitely check this one out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Violet Evergarden. So in this anime story, our heroine used to be an orphan, but after that someone took care of her, and that's how she also became a soldier. That's how most of her childhood has been spent. Other than that person who took our heroine in, she doesn't really have any family to call for. So now, starting in this anime, the war have finally ended. So the person who took care of our heroine, he also died. So now, few things gonna happen and our heroine gonna start working as a doll. So in this anime, dolls are those girls who write letters for others. But as for our heroine, she is completely emotionless. So how she gonna write a letter with emotion for the other person? So now in this anime story, our heroine gonna go through a lot of things. That's how she gonna learn to read others' emotion and also manage to describe hers. So it's a pretty good one, definitely worth watching if you haven't yet, definitely. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Utawari Rumano. So in this anime story take place in a small village where all of the people have long ears and a tail. So one day our heroine found a masked guy, our main character in this anime. So he have forgot everything about his past. Because of that, he started living in this village. So his life was going kinda peaceful in this village until a neighboring kingdom started attacking the village. So now our main character with some village people decided to protect the village, and he also trying to find out about his past. So it's a good one, kinda old but worth watching. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is The Ambition of Oda Nobunaga. So in this anime, our hero is teleported to a different world. So in this new world, lot of the history are similar to our main characters, but there is slight difference that lot of main characters are females. So that's how our hero meets one of our heroine in this anime. So she is a emperor of a kingdom. Now in this anime, our hero gonna try to help her with his previous knowledge from his previous world. As I said, most of their histories are similar, but most of the characters are females. So now what our main character gonna do with his previous knowledge? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Scrapped Princess. So in this anime story, our heroine, she is a princess, but people doesn't really look at her in a good way. Someone did a prophecy that our heroine gonna destroy the world. She is not good for the kingdom, something bad gonna happen if she stay here. Because of that, there are a lot of people in this anime who is trying to harm our heroine. That's why our heroine decided she gonna run away from this kingdom with her adopted brother and sister. So now in this anime story, three of our main characters trying to survive in this world, as there are a lot of people who are still trying to hunt our heroine. So now what's gonna happen, how they gonna survive, that's the story all about. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video, but the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on, so you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.